Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Walaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
Is handwriting reading is allowed in Islam? Though they are telling like we just characterize you, we are not telling your future and all.
Sister is saying that is reading of handwriting allowed in Islam? We aren't talking about the future but about a character. As long as it is not talking about the future of the person, it is not haram. But reading a character of a person by handwriting, per se I wouldn't say haram, but can lead to problems. Because how authentic it is a different question. I've met some of these specialists, but I don't think everything is authentic. So someone, suppose a doctor says the way a person walks, I can tell about disease, yes, that's allowed. The way the person comes and sits, medical doctor who's in a profession will tell about the diseases. So that is why the nature of his walk. So this is not haram. Similarly, there is some science talking about the nature of a person, it's not wrong, but if it is just ambiguous and trying to pull a fast one, you have to abstain from it. So as far as handwriting, I know that they don't talk about the future, but they talk about the nature.